Welcome back. We are going to study chemical and physical changes. What are chemical changes and what are physical changes? That's the topic of the day. A physical change. What is a physical change? A change where a substance does not change what the substance is. Its color can be changed, its appearance can be changed, but is still the same substance. For example, water freezes to ice. Both are still water. Their appearance is different. Water changes to steam. It's still the water, only its appearance and physical state is changed. What are the different examples of physical changes? Change in shape, change in size, change in phase, melting, solid to liquid, boiling, when a liquid changes to gas, evaporation, when a liquid changes to gas, condensation, when gas changes to liquid, freezing, liquid to solid, sublimation, when a solid changes to gas directly. In general, solid becomes liquid, then becomes gas. But there are certain solids which directly change from solid to gas. This process is called sublimation, and this is a physical change. Dep- Deposition, gas to solid. And look at this diagram. It will give you an idea what is sublimation, what is deposition, vaporization, condensation, melting or fusion, freezing. Okay, let's proceed. Physical changes might be caused by grinding, cutting, crushing, bending, breaking, heating or cooling, squishing. You take few tablets of paracetamol and hammer it. It will be a powder now. It's still the same substance. Therefore, it is physical change. And these are the evidences. Shape changes, its form changes, size may change, face is changed, and normally physical changes are reversible. Reversible means, for example, water becomes ice. Water was liquid, ice is solid, but still, if you melt the ice, you can get back to water. Reversible changes are physical changes. What could you do to these items to cause a physical change to occur? You can break these chocolate chip cookies. You can melt this ice cube. Or you can cut this orange into four pieces, two pieces, three pieces. Depends on you. You can peel it off, and you can cut it. You can squeeze it, and you can get juice out of it. These are all physical changes. Chemical change. What is chemical change? A change in which a substance is changed into a different substance. You have change. What is it? You see, this is paper roll. You set it on fire, it's burning. When it burns, all paper becomes colored black charcoal. Example of chemical changes. Burning is a chemical change. Rusting, tarnishing, Burning, like this one, this is burning. Rusting, tarnishing, decomposing or decomposition of something, polymerization. So you see, you cannot reverse back these changes. Therefore, we call them chemical change. Chemical changes occur when a chemical reactions take place. Chemical reaction takes place, bonds are broken, and new bonds are formed, and a new substance is produced. That's chemical change. There are five types of chemical reactions that cause chemical changes to occur. First one, composition reactions. When two things come together, a substance is A substance is B, they get close and they form AB, that is composition. This is also called combination reaction. Combination and composition is the same thing. Another word you can use synthesis reaction. Synthesis, building up of something. That's called composition reaction. Okay. Now, second type of reaction is decomposition. Two things broken down into two or more substances. For example, there was a compound AB broken down into A plus B. Water, H2O, breaks down into hydrogen and oxygen. This type of reaction is called decomposition reaction. Single replacement. One atom replaces another atom. For example, this one A plus BC. When chemical reaction took place, A combines with C, AC, and B's is alone. On the left side, A was alone. Right side, B was alone. This is real reaction. Mg plus 2HCl. What happened? Mg was alone on the left side. Here, hydrogen is alone, and now this is formed. So one substance has been replaced. That is called single replacement. Double replacement reaction. Two chemicals switch places. And you can look at this picture so you will get an idea in real life. See here, AX plus BY. And what happens now? On the right side, A reacts with Y and B reacts with X. This is a skeleton example. Now the real example, Ki, potassium iodide, PbNO3. So what happens now? This Pb react with I. Then we get this on the right hand side. And this K react with NO3. Two things have been replaced. Therefore, we call it double replacement reactions. Combustion reaction. When something combines with oxygen and releases energy. And the easy way to identify a combustion reaction is on one side of the equation, you will see O2. On the other side, you will see CO2 and H2O. And its skeleton equation I can write over here A plus O2. And on this side, you see carbon dioxide plus H2O. If this is the structure of a chemical reaction, chemical equation, it indicates that this type of change, this type of reaction is called combustion reaction, or you can say burning reactions. The better way, combustion reaction. Chemical change, evidence that a chemical change took place. Color change, odor change, formation of a precipitate. What is precipitate? Precipitate is a solid substance. Like here you see yellow is solid substance. And it looks like maybe like liquid, but it's not liquid. This is solid. This solid substance here where I have marked with red color. So this is solid and it's insoluble. Even if you use tons of gallons of water, but it will not dissolve. Gas is formed. Changes in physical properties. Physical properties also change. For example, a gas becomes solid, like chlorine is a gas. React with sodium. Now we get a solid NaCl, sodium chloride, which is called, uh, which is table salt. Okay, so we know five type of reactions. Again, composition or synthesis or combination reaction, decomposition reaction, single replacement, double replacement, and combustion reaction. Now, quiz time. Which life cycle is most similar to a chemical change? There are two. One is on the right side, one is the left side. So where you see the totally change, shape, size, appearance, right side, left side. I'm leaving it for you. Just give the answer in the comment section. What type of reaction is most likely occurring here? How do you know? You know in this reaction, heat is being produced, light is being produced. So this is a chemical change and this is an evidence of a chemical reaction. You see, this is an egg, cooked egg, physical or chemical. Find it out, write your answer in the comment section. This is butter. What's happening? It's melting. What do you think? Physical or chemical? Type your answer in the comment section. If you got any question, please don't hesitate to ask in the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share. That's all for the day. Wish you a pleasant day.